Alright chess fans, let's dive into the sharpest minds lighting up the chessboard right now. Starting at number 1, we've got the Norwegian wizard himself, Magnus Carlsen, sitting at a towering 28-37. He's not just a player, he's a living legend, redefining what it means to dominate the game. Next up, America's own speed demon, Hikaru Nakamura, with a 2804 rating. Naka's blitz skills are out of this world, and trust me, you do not want to be on the other side of his clock. At number 3, the Indian prodigy Arjun Erigaisi, rated 2782. He's young, hungry, and already making waves in top tournaments. Number 4, Fabiano Caruana, representing the United States at 2777. Caruana's deep prep and steely nerves make him a constant threat at the highest level. Rounding out the top 5 is Gukesh Domaraju from India, rated 2776. He's part of a new generation of Indian talent that's taking the chess world by storm. Let's keep going. Nodirbek Abdusattorov from Uzbekistan and Ramesh Babu Pragnananda from India are both at 2767, two teen titans pushing the limits. Alireza Firouzja, now playing under the French flag, stands at 2766. Wei Yi from China is holding steady at 2758. And Ian Nepomniachtchi, Russia's tactician, is at 2757. Just outside the top 10, Aravind Chithambaram, another Indian star, at 2749, with Anish Giri from the Netherlands right behind him at 2748. Shakhriyar Mamedyarov from Azerbaijan clocks in at 2746, followed by Wesley So for the US at 2745. And let's not forget the legendary Viswanathan Anand, still crushing it for India at 2743. Now here's something wild. 5 of the world's best 15 players are from India. That's right, India is turning into a chess powerhouse, producing young superstars faster than you can say checkmate. The game's global, and it's more intense than ever. Who's your favorite grandmaster? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more.